Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo with DJI RC2 controller is an impressive package that sets a new standard for compact drones. From the moment you unbox it, the craftsmanship and attention to detail are evident. Weighing just under 249 grams, it's lightweight yet robust, making it perfect for both seasoned drone enthusiasts and newcomers alike. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. Equipped with a 1/1.3" CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 50MP stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second, providing breathtaking aerial footage. The low-light performance is commendable, allowing for clear images even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Additionally, the 3-axis gimbal ensures that your shots remain steady, eliminating the jitters that can plague lesser drones. The DJI RC2 controller enhances the flying experience significantly. The bright display offers excellent visibility, and the integrated controls feel intuitive, allowing for smooth navigation. The controller's range is impressive, providing a solid connection even at long distances, which is a crucial factor for aerial photography and videography. The Fly More combo is particularly appealing due to its additional accessories, including extra batteries, propellers, and a carrying case. With up to 34 minutes of flight time per battery, the extended flying sessions are a game-changer for those who want to capture more footage without constantly swapping batteries. Another highlight is the advanced obstacle sensing and advanced intelligent features like focus track and master shots, which make it easier to get professional quality shots with minimal effort. The return-to-home feature is reliable, ensuring that you can fly with confidence. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo is a remarkable drone that combines portability with professional-grade technology. Whether you're a hobbyist or a serious content creator, this drone proves to be a worthy investment that elevates your aerial photography and videography to new heights.